Hey guys, still me. Here's another short. This is gonna be polymer clay feet, like cartoon style, like how I do a lot of my stuff. Here we go. Watch this. We're gonna make some cute feet with some manicured nails. This hand wants to hold a train. Give me this train. Now, so we could have turned these into feet if we just go back one step. And these could turn into like kind of talons or claws. Maybe you do 3 in the front instead of 4. Right? Have some legs like that way. What do you think? So another way to make feet is just make a couple little kind of bean shapes. No, that could just be feet right there. You take a knife tool and just make, this is like a nice way to make simple cartoon paws too. But what I'm gonna do instead of that is make little toes. Just little balls for toes. So I'm gonna go like bigger, medium, maybe small. Oops. I don't know why I made extra, but I did. But this is one way, simple way to make feet. You can get more detailed by making little toenails. Do it this way. Right? Then you could take a different color, which I got over here. I have some light pink. Now, just a side note, I would not normally just attach these the way that I have with certain brands of clay without using like a liquid clay or a wire. But like some of the clays attach really well even without those aids. Another thing I often do, like especially if it's with Sculpey 3, is I will smooth the clay together where it's attached. There you be. So, and you could also do like claws. Again, I would use a little bit of like poly paste or liquid clay normally. But I'm just showing you the shapes and ideas for different feet, toes, and hands. Just kind of some basic. Actually, this one should go in the middle. There. Cute. Bum, 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Ooh, it's not really a skateboard though. Whoa! Tripping on toys. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching me make those feet. I hope that it helped you to make your own cute polymer clay feet. My goal with this channel is to help more people not be afraid to just play with clay for fun and make some cool stuff. And I hope that you try to make some feet. Okay. Well, if you enjoyed this or any of my other videos, it would be very super awesome if you liked and subscribed. So thanks. See you later.